If you've ever been involved in an auto accident, you might have heard the terminology first-party auto claim or a third-party auto claim. It's very important to understand what the difference between the two are if you are in the middle of filing an insurance claim so that you are not paying extra money out of your pocket that you're not expecting. Hey guys, I'm Mike Crowley, the owner of the Crowley Insurance Agency, where we make insurance easy with honesty and common sense. First, I'm going to talk about what the difference between a first-party and a third-party insurance claim is. First-party insurance claim is when you file a claim with your insurance company for damages to your car or some medical expenses to you. Good example is this: I swerved off the road and hit a guardrail or a tree. Nobody else is involved, and I need to file a claim to get my car fixed. That is a first-party claim. First party is you are the insured, and your insurance company is paying that claim. Now, a third-party insurance claim is when somebody else's insurance company is going to pay for your damages, or your insurance company is going to pay for somebody else's damages. Good example of this type of claim is you get rear-ended by another party. That other party is with XYZ Insurance Company, and XYZ Insurance Company handles the repairs to your vehicle. Your insurance doesn't get involved. You file it direct with the other insurance company, and they take care of everything. In this situation, you are the third party filing a claim, and it's a third-party insurance claim. And again, your insurance company is not involved. We've done a video in the past talking about what you should do in situations like this when you are filing an insurance claim when the accident is 100% not your fault. And you can find that. It'll be linked here in the video somewhere as well. Now, why is it important to understand the difference between a first-party and a third-party insurance claim? Because depending on your situation in this accident, you may want to file one versus the other. If you file a first-party insurance claim to fix the damages to your vehicle with your insurance company, you're going to be responsible for your deductible. You're going to be responsible for your deductible regardless of if the accident is your fault or not. Anytime you get your insurance company involved, if you have deductibles on your comprehensive collision coverage, you are going to have to upfront that deductible. If it's deemed that you are not at fault in that accident, the other responsible party will most likely reimburse your insurance company all the necessary repairs, which include your deductible. This is called subrogation. You'll be able to get that deductible back at some time at a later date. But again, you are going to be responsible to upfront that to get your car fixed. By filing a third-party insurance claim with another person's insurance company, you are at the mercy of that insurance company. They are going to investigate probably a little bit more detailed. It'll take a little bit longer, and depending on the situation, could be a longer drawn out process to determine if they are going to take responsibility and what they're going to pay to fix your car. Every auto insurance claim is different. Every situation's different. Is there a police report giving a third-party witness statements? Is there proof or other just witnesses that saw what happened in the accident? All of these things will determine how fast a claim can get processed, especially in a third-party situation. Hopefully that description gave you a good idea of what a first-party and a third-party insurance claim is and what the difference between the two are. Now, what do you do in the event you are in an auto accident is probably more important than the information I just gave you. If you are involved in an auto insurance accident, there is a few things that I highly recommend doing every single time, regardless of the situation. If there is damages, I would call the police to try and get a police report. The police departments are getting to a point where they are not coming out and filing reports for every auto accident anymore, especially if there's drivable vehicles and no injuries. So keep that in mind. Take pictures of all of the damage, the situation, where the cars were lined up, and the damages to both your car and the other parties that are involved. Get all of their insurance information. Give them all of your insurance information. And outside of just the insurance information, make sure that you are getting their contact name, the best phone number and contact information to reach out to them, and the policy number of their insurance. Those are a couple pieces of information that regardless of if the police come, nobody tends to get, which again could prolong the claim experience for you if the insurance companies have trouble finding out who that person is. Listen, handling an insurance claim can be difficult. Going through this without you having knowledge of what the situations are, how to go through this situation, is the reasons you need to have an independent insurance agent available to you that you work with, that you trust, to help you through these unique situations. Like I said, every insurance claim is different, so having an independent agent helping you along the way is extremely important. They can give you the advice needed should you file a first-party claim or third-party claim, depending on their experience and that specifics of that accident. If you do not use an independent agent, I highly recommend finding a local agent, somebody that you can meet with and somebody that you trust. If you are in New York, in the central New York area, feel free to reach out to the team here at Crowley Insurance. We would be glad to help